Hi, I will show you what's new in the Wobbly Wiggler. First, I will show you issues with the old version. So when we have loose bond chain, you see the beginning of the chain is kinda zigzaggy. Something is not quite there. The simulation is not quite looking too correct. For the stiffer chains, for some kinda stiff value, like maybe 100, the ending, especially for long bond chains, the ending would not be stable. Usually you would not see this issue for shorter chains, but there was some kind of issue in there. This was not visible if stretching was set to 0. So then you would have a stable simulation. Then other issue was that if you wiggle the root, the top is just kind of collapsing onto itself. It doesn't look pleasing to the eye. There was hacky solution with stabilized long chain factor. So now it looks more stable and nice. But if I move this and collide with box, you see the ending is going up. So what is going on? It should go straight to the right or maybe slightly down due to gravity. Well, it was because of this hack stabilize factor. When I disable that, we have proper simulation on the collision. Another issue was that not connected bond chains were not really supported. So you see the result on the left is not too stable. The bond chain on the right looks way better and smoother, even though in theory those chain segments are in theory with same length. The left one just would not look good. The same issue is visible on the left. Okay, so I enabled the new version and you see the long chains with disconnected bonds are simulated in a more pleasing way. This looks smooth and clean. So I can, for example, enable roll, jiggle, and it will roll like that with jiggle effect. Or I could enable translation jiggle so that the first segment in the chain will kinda like translate like so. Okay, and let's compare now those two chains. So previously the left one would look very ugly. Now they are not looking exactly the same, but the left one is way smoother. Let's compare now this loose. The loose bond chain is now also looking better. There is no this like zigzag on the beginning. And also on this stiffer chain, you see when I set this exactly to the top, it's kind of wiggle tiny bit because it cannot decide should it go to the left or right. But when I nudge this slightly to the left, now it's stable like the previous one. With stretching, the previous chain would not get stable. Also, when I wiggle this around, you see even if I set stretching to 0, this chain won't collapse onto itself. So there is no longer need for hack with stabilize long chain. And thanks to that, the collision will work correctly, and at the same time you get nice wiggle. So yeah, I think that covers everything I wanted to show. Those changes are not too big, but they were pain to set up. I think I spent like a few weeks just trying to implement those disconnected bonds correctly. Anyway, hope you like the update and see ya.